How computer works. Components of CPU box. Microprocessor. Microprocessor or CPU is the brain of a computer, where processing of data is done. Examples of microprocessor are Intel Pentium 4, dual core, i3, i5, i7 processors, etc. Power supply unit. It is a hardware that is used to convert the power provided from the outlet into usable power for the many parts inside the computer. Modem. Modem is a device that converts computers' digital data into analog data, which can travel through telephone lines. It is used to connect the computer to the internet. Hard disk. Hard disk is a permanent storage medium. It has a big capacity. The information which you want to use frequently or in future can be stored in the hard disk. RAM. Random access memory. It is used to store information given to a computer. It is fixed on the motherboard and keeps the information on hold until the computer is switched off. It is also called short-term memory. Motherboard. Motherboard is the main electronic circuit board on which all the components and parts of a computer are fixed or connected. The microprocessor and the memory are also placed on the motherboard. The rear panel. The rear panel of the system unit is very important. All the connectors of the peripheral devices are connected on this panel. Power cable of monitor. Power cable of CPU. Data cable of monitor. Mouse. Keyboard. Printer or scanner, old type. Speakers and microphone. USB port to connect pen drive and other devices like printer, scanner, webcam, etc. Telephone line for internet. Working of a computer. Computer works in 3 steps. Input is given through an input device like keyboard. Processing is done in a system unit called CPU. Output is provided by the computer using an output device like monitor. Now, you will learn about the working of a computer in detail. There are 3 components of CPU or processing device. Control unit, CU. Arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. Memory unit. Firstly, input is given to CPU through the input devices. In CPU, control unit controls communication within ALU, and memory unit, as it is the central part of CPU. Control unit, or CU, gets data or instructions from memory unit and then decides what to do of that instruction and transfers it to the ALU, where arithmetic sums and logical problems are solved. Results of ALU are stored in the memory for further operations. Finally, stored results are passed on to the output devices.